What is meant by programming? A programming language is a system of notation for writing computer programs. Most programming languages are text-based formal languages, but they may also be graphical. They are a kind of computer language. Description of programming language. The description of a programming language is usually split into the two components of syntax, form, and semantics, meaning, which are usually defined by a formal language. Some languages are defined by a specification document. For example, the C programming language is specified by an ISO standard, while other languages, such as Perl, have a dominant implementation that is treated as a reference. Some languages have both, with the basic language defined by a standard and extensions taken from the dominant implementation being common. History of programming language. During 1840–1849, Ada Lovelace translated the memoir of Italian mathematician Luigi Menabrea about Charles Babbage's newest proposed machine, the analytical engine. She supplemented the memoir with notes that specified in detail a method for calculating Bernoulli numbers, but the engine, recognized by most of historians as the world's first published computer program. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share to get more videos.